Everyone, good morning to all of you. I am Ritesh. I am standing for debate session.
Hello my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. Well, this is Namta Tiwari and I am standing here for debate session.
Our topic is social media making us less social or not. But my favorite is social media making us less social. Because in nowadays many people are using a smartphone. They don't have a time for helping other peoples.
Okay. My topic is social media making us less social or not, and my favor is this social media making us not less social. Okay. You know that means by the smartphone many students by the smartphone get the new information for the study, and they have a phone. They are reading the online class.
But nowadays many students, most of students have a smartphone, but most of students don't use the right way in the smartphone.
Okay, this is depend on yourself. If you want to be a good man, then if you have anything and you use to right way, then this is a great for you. But if you use for wrong way, then this is bad for you. If you have a smartphone and you are a student, then this is the most important role of your smartphone. You are using on the right way, means for the study, not extra thing. This is depend on yourself.
Okay, your opinion is right, but nowadays many parents and children in this mutual gapping are very decreases because of smartphone. Because many parents are busy in the smartphone, and many children are busy in the smartphone. Cause of they don't spend our time with our parents.
Okay. According to you, this is right, means they have a phone, they are not giving the time to your children and parents. But if you have not any friend and you want to be a make friend, then you go to the other side, means WhatsApp, Facebook, then you create the new friends.
Okay, but nowadays many stranger person are not good. Many stranger person, just like many student and many person are choose the wrong way in the smartphone, because many stranger person are not good.
Yeah, many person is not good, but this is depend on yourself. You try to prove that, means this person is good, means we live with him with protection, then you live. But you can't say, means only the social media people are bad. Means in social media many people who have a lot of knowledge for giving you.
Okay, but you said that by the social media many students get a lot of knowledge. Okay, but by the social media many students use they decreases their limitation power, thinking limited.
Okay, according to me, this is depend also yourself, because by the smartphone, if you use to right way, this is good for you. But if you are trying to, means try to wrong way, that is bad for you. This is depend on yourself, not depend on phone. But one phone, in the one phone have a lot of things, means bad things, good things. This is depend to yourself, means what I use, what is the benefit for me and what is the disadvantage for me.
Okay, but many support that in the in our society did the many creates any creates violence. So how can you decide which news is bad or good for me? Because many news channel are so that different news.
Okay. Yeah, many channels is the give the different news, but news channel is always try we buy the newspaper, buy the news channels, TV, and etc. Means we give the true news of the all people. That's why, means they giving the news, and if the news is a fake, then other media is I means try to correct that news.
Okay, this is right. But in the social media also advertise the wrong advertisements, just like tobacco and the cigarette.
Okay. yeah, by the smartphone and by the TV, this is a means very increases. But in the TV channels also said this is a bad for our body.
Yeah.
When they means uh, when they are
Advertisements.
when their advertisement means tobacco and cigarettes and wine. After firstly he said means this is a bad for our body. Even then, if people are buying, this is a problem that people not means social media, they are said means this is a, if I am buying this sorry for this copy, but who is the seller, then he said to me this is a not good copy. But even if I'm buying this copy, this is a my problem. This is a not social media problems.
Okay.
Okay, and my topic is that by the social media, it means you can talk to each other. If any person for you
Yeah.
means if you are living in Bhabua and any person is living in America, then by the social media you can video call to see that person. But without social media, this is not possible.
Okay, your opinion is right, but nowadays many people are sit same place, but they don't talk each other's.
Okay, this is a them mentality problem, because if they have a phone, they are all time busy on their phones. But if they are good person, then they think this means this thing is always live with me. Then even I use that thing, but means they are only think this is for me. Then all time they use. That is a problem of that person.
Okay, but
Okay, and my point is that means by the social media, any event is happening in our society, then we know about. If we live villages area, then we know about any incident, any crime, we see the live telecast. If means any places when any incident is happening, but by the social but without social media, this is not possible.
yeah, this is right. In nowadays, without social media, it's not possible. But now, but the past time, many scholars and genius person are made the genius person without social media, and as social media also promotes the gender inequality in the through the serials, just like many serials show that. Women's role in the domestic work.
Okay, I'm telling you again, means if any person think, okay, but according to me, by the social media, domestic violence is decreases, because all women are ready for our rights. Because means in any same time they don't know about the any, what is the means of
What?
अधिकार.
Right.
In any same time, any means no man is know about our rights. But in that time they know about our rights by the social media. Means they see any critical video, and means any everything video learn they learn means what's the right for our. They are means in this time, by the social media, if you want to hard work, that is possible. And by the social media, many students cover our study materials, and means many people know about our rights.
Okay. But social media also the create the digital divide. Just like many people don't have a phone, so how can it's possible?
Okay, means any person have a no phone, but according to me, nowadays all person have a phone. Even if they poor, but they have a phone. If they have a five family member, in one family member means one person have a phone. According to me, in this time.
Okay, but nowadays many peoples are um, post the violential post and thoughts and idea in the social media. They create the in our society violence.
Okay, but according to me, many people create the bad videos for the all peoples. But this is, but when we try to erase it, this is possible for the digital technical. Okay, my point is that means you said to me and social media making us less social.
Yeah.
That prove me how can this possible means by the in this time we can't imagine our life we can't imagine our life by for the to the social media without social media.
This is an active point of social media because many people are depending on the social media.
Okay, but in nowadays means all work is happening with the social media. Means you know about anything by the social media. If any accident is happening in the other country, other city, you know about that incident by the social media. If you getting a good knowledge, then you get by the social media. If you want to earn money and you are not able to do any work, but if you use the smartphone on the right way, this is possible by the social media.
Okay.
Then how can you say that means social media making us less social?
Okay, you say that by the social media we can know about what happened in city,
Yeah.
but many people know about what happened in our city, but they don't know about what happened in our muhalla.
Okay, means yeah, they don't know about, but if they are telecast all where means everywhere, means if any incident happening in our muhalla, so what is street sector in our sector, if we are telecast all the channels, then this is possible means all persons see that video and know about in our means incident. Okay, my topic is that means my point is that by the social media we see any program, international program, national programs telecast, live telecast, but without social media this is not possible.
Yeah, this is right. But by the social media also promote the many adult video, and the many people see that this video, this is negative impact of the peoples.
Oh, pardon please. I don't.
Thank you to listen you very carefully.